welcome Rohit sir to present the results of Sarthi.
Good morning, or rather good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be standing here in front of all of you, distinguished guests. I'm really privileged to be in front of all of you, principals, DIG sir, Sankeet Commissioner, and all the assembled parents, professors, doctors, engineers. It really seems miraculous. Exactly 1 year ago, we were having the same seminar. And the scale of the program was not even half of the same scale. I remember last year the way we started the program, we had to introduce ourselves. We had to tell who we are, that we just graduated. We had to tell our all India ranks. We had to tell where we were placed. We had to tell what offer we had. But this year I saw we didn't have to speak anything. Our children did everything, beginning to end. Some children performed, some children anchored, some children helped with managing the event. Some have come back from their colleges where they have studied. So it's really miraculous to see how things unfold by the grace of God and by all of your blessings. So how many of you like the program so far? Can I have a round of applause if you like the program? Thank you. All of you have come with a lot of expectations. So I'd like to present the exact results of this year. Yeah. So our first year, I was downstairs welcoming all the parents, and then one person asked, "क्या चल रहा है यहाँ? चल क्या रहा है यहाँ? इतना सारा गाड़ी है, पुलिस." I told we run a coaching institute. He told, "अच्छा, coaching institute. From how long you are running?" I told, "This is our first year." He told, "First year? इतना बड़ा program." Felt good. So here, this is what everyone looks for in a coaching institute. Most of the parents, they're always around the results. And yes, we are also having a result-oriented approach in our academics. So we'll present the results one by one. And in our academy, we have a motto. We want students to be very competent. We want them to get very good ranks. It's true. But more importantly, we tell the students that the real competition is within. Is to overcome your lower side. That is a true competition. And therefore, a little different from the other places, we'd like to show how the students have improved on their selves. And we consider that a success over the other things. They have done well on the All India platform, state level also. But then what we'd like to depict is how they have improved over their own performance after joining Sarthi Academy. So, and as I call on each name, we'd like to have the student on the dais and we'll be honoring them with a small medal. So first of all, we'd like to call Anurima Maiti from KVIIT. We'd like to request Ms. Sankeet if you could present a medal to the students. So Anurima was she was the first student in Sarthi. First time we started a year ago. We put a hoarding somewhere in DVC, she joined. And she was the only person in class. Love to. Okay, so Nirima, what I liked about her, she had 100% attendance. She never missed a class. She would come for every class without missing it. Even though she never felt good, she would always come to class, do the homework to the best of her capability. And in her 11th class, before she joined Sarthi Academy in KVIT, she got, in her annual exams, she got around 57%. And after joining Sarthi Academy, this time she got around 89% in her 12th class level. And very fortunately, now she is aspiring higher. She wants to crack NEET 2021. And her parents have put a lot of faith in us, and they have kept her with us. So she is doing an extra year and she is targeting for NEET 2021. So let us wish her a lot of success. Then we'd like to call Abhishek. The Abhishek. Okay. Good. Next we'd like to call Avik Das. Avik Das. A round of applause, please. We'd like to request the ex-commissioner if he could hand a medal to the student. Yeah, students are very shy. So like the students from Indipur. So this is our ex-chairman of the municipality of Kharagpur. So Avik has been a brilliant student right from the start. He was studying in Navodaya school. Navodaya is a central government-based school for privileged students. He was very bright right from the beginning and has been with Sarthi Academy right from the beginning of 12th class. And he has done very well. And this time in mains he has scored 96 percentile. In advance he has secured a rank of around 28,000. And currently is pursuing civil engineering in IIST Shibpur. Congratulations. Next, big shot. We'd like to call Arnab Kundu on the stage. So Avik, Arnab, both of them, they joined Sarthi from Midnipur. We'd like to invite Mr. Verma sir, Principal of KV Kalaikunda, to honor Arnab with a medal. Verma sir has been the most punctual guest. He has come sharp at 11 o'clock and has been waiting very patiently for us. Arnab Kundu along with Avik, they have both joined from Midnipur, and as you can see his results are very good. He has been a topper even in their school. He has got 99.23 percentile in NEET 2020. He missed CNC just by a whisker, and currently he got a seat in Ajikar Medical College in Calcutta. So he's close by and he told he'll help students in all possible ways whenever help is required. So he's a brilliant student. Even though he is targeting for NEET, he also cracked mains with 95%. And we'd like to thank him. Actually, he has been very supportive, and this is not to be spoken, but his mother has supported us so much. Bengali, we never spoke Bengali. So she convinced the other parents, principal, and they have been supporting us. And during lockdown, he was the person who stayed with us fully. Mother has so much faith, he told, beta, unka saath raho. And he stayed with us throughout the lockdown, studied with us, eating whatever we ate, sleeping with us. He has done well and has cooperated well. Thank you very much, sir. Next, we'd like to call Pratyush, one of the most dynamic students we have. So, how many of you like today's drama? A round of applause if you like the drama. Pratyush has been one of the most okay. Okay, the only guest remaining is DJ sir, so he is DIG sir's son, so I don't know if I should call sir. Sir, if you don't mind. He must be dreaming about this moment since childhood. Please take photos. His challenge is lifelong. Pratyush, one more miraculous story actually. He also dropped, this was his repeating year, and when he came to us in January, we literally expected nothing. We were really wondering if he would be able to cope with the classes, whether he'd take interest or not. But he has been so much actively participating in all the sessions. He has had difficulty coping with the academics before this dropping year. But then I saw his dedication during the dropping year when he joined us. He was always very punctual, on time. He would give his best to study, and that would really encourage us. So sometimes it's hard for us to be on time, but I saw Pratyush never came late, would always come, will always demand, sir, please sir, this is very important. And he was one of the persons we gave our best, most energy to, and he did very well in our exam pages. So he has secured an All India rank of 3,200 in CS. He's pursuing electrical engineering there. He had opportunity for other things, but he has become a really serious student. I am also shocked. I called him for the drama practice the other day. He told, sir, first help me with this assignment. He was asking me engineering mathematics doubts. Monotonicity, is the function bounded or not? I explained the doubts and then he told, okay, now I'll come for the drama. I was happy. So this is what we wanted. We wanted this inner change within the students. And he has put so much effort over the last week. It's really hard managing things with young children. They're very sweet, but it's not very easy. All of your parents, you know this. You know? So, but he has patiently dealt with all the students and has made a spectacular show out of the drama. Thank you very much, Pratyush, wherever you went. Then we'd like to call on Simran Mandal. Simran Mandal is also from KVI. Can we have Joshi sir? Silent Joshi sir. So this entire place, Gujarati Samaj, it belongs to the Gujarati Samaj. And they attended the seminar last year. And when they attended the seminar last year, they asked, Hari, what are you people doing here? We'll give you a big place. And they are the people who have supported us with a lot of things. Thank you very much. Mr. Silent Joshi is the secretary of the Samaj. Simran also is a friend of Anurima and has been very sincere right from the beginning when she joined us. Thank you very much, Simran. Now she is placed in JIPMER, Pondicherry, and she is pursuing nursing there in JIPMER. Okay, so the other students are not here. Many of them are also very good. Many of them underwent phenomenal changes and improvements in their own curriculum. But then I think we should stick to the timing. So we'll honor them in the next program. But one more round of applause for all the students who have done well. Yeah.